Okay, so the first ever trip from my EV where I'm heading to Ratnagiri and all set to head. So as of now it's almost 12 a.m. midnight and we are heading to Ratnagiri. So it's around 320 kilometers from here from Pune, and I'll be testing that how much. So since this is the first ever long trip, I'll be just testing how much amount of efficiency or how much kilowatt is would be getting consumed. So as of now, it's like 95%, 485 kilometers and range, and 320 kilometers is somewhat it is showing me to reach the destination. But I'm planning to take the Anuskura Ghat. So I would be taking an exit on Mumbai-Goa highway near Rajapur, where I'll be getting this Mahindra fast charger to just charge my car, so that if in case when I'm staying in Ratnagiri, if in case I need a backup, I don't have to worry about the charge and I can roam around freely. So that's the plan. So as of now, I'm heading to Hinjawadi to pick up my friend, and from then again I'll be heading back. So I'm starting from Vajay. Trip A, Trip B has been reset. So yeah, and the first traffic. I mean, we are at Hinjawadi near Wakad Bridge. Sorry, not Hinjawadi, Wakad Bridge. And इतने रात को भी ये ट्रैफिक है. I'm not sure what's the problem. It's almost 12:17 a.m. and bumper to bumper traffic. Okay, update started from Wakad. It's 12:28. Hopefully we shouldn't be getting any traffic. Let's hope for better. Just an update, it's 4:10 a.m. and we have covered up till now 234 kilometers in 4 hours 2 minutes, and efficiency it's like very good. As of now 8.1 kilometers per kilowatt, because अभी कुछ straight highways ही था and we were cruising comfortably in a good amount of space. So that's the update, and as of now हम लोग यहाँ पे रुके हैं just to have some coffee break, because for straight 4 hours we were continuously driving. We didn't took any halt, and as of now we are heading to this particular place which will take us another 3 hours to reach. और यहाँ पे there is a high ultra fast Mahindra chargers to charge our EV. So yeah, that's it. And yes, finally we reached our destination, Hotel Ankita Palace. We took a slightly detour of 35 kilometers just to charge the car. So yes, this is what it shows. So we cover almost 335 kilometers in 6 hours. Although there is a sufficient charging, or you can say range, that is present, so 38%, but still we would be charging our car. And the reason to test out is this, the ultra fast chargers from Mahindra. So definitely this particular ultra fast charger would be charging the car in another 20 minutes or so, and till the meantime we would be just going to this Ankita Palace to have some breakfast. But yeah, a very good morning from Konkan. So let's see in how much amount of time the car gets fully charged. Okay, stay tuned. And here you go, the charging has been started. We have started with 38%, As of now, it is taking 30 kilowatts. Let's see if it increases further. Yeah. Check this out, guys. It is charging with 150 kilowatts. And we started at 38% and now it is 58% within a time span of 9 minutes. So you can ignore the first minute because it was preparing the charger, then initializing it and everything. So roughly in around 8 minutes, 20%, 60% now. And still अभी भी ये और 30 किलोवाट से चार्ज कर सकता है, but for now it is charging with 150. The capacity is 180 kilowatts. But this is sufficient enough. I mean, happy. The only disadvantage is like the hotel is yet to open, so we are here and half an hour early. So there is an auto wala guy who said that this will get opened up by 7 a.m. and as of now it's 6:50 a.m. So yeah, that's the disadvantage. If you are coming early, then you need to note this out. So actually we took a slightly D route. We are heading to Ratnagiri, but this particular Mahindra ultra fast chargers are available near Rajapur, which is towards Goa, and we came all the way from there and we took a U-turn from here and then we headed to this particular charging station. So now we'll be heading back again towards Mumbai for reaching Ratnagiri. As of now, within 22 minutes it's 86%, so from 38 to 86% in just 22 minutes. I'm charging it to 100% because I have time. I don't have rush or hurry. I'm not in a hurry to reach to my destination, so I'm waiting for another 5 to 6 minutes to charge it fully. Okay, so we stopped the charging. It's 92%, 524 kilometers of range, because after 90 it starts doing the slow charge and we don't want to waste our time further. So yeah, we stopped the charging and heading further to Ratnagiri. Stay tuned. Okay, so we reached our destination and we completed 400, almost 400 kilometers in 7 hours 49 minutes, and you can see the mileage that has been provided by the car. Although almost majority of the portion, since we were traveling from Anuskura, from Pune to Ratnagiri via Anuskura, it was downhill, so that is the reason you can see this kind of mileage that has been provided. And yeah, so far so good. No worries. We charged our car and at that point of time it was 92%, and you can see as of now we still have 433 kilometers left with 79% of battery. Yeah, so far so good. Thumbs up for Mahindra for manufacturing such a great car with good ground clearance. I had absolute zero headaches while taking it to the off-road. Yeah, happy.